Hey guys, how are you? It's good morning. Come with me today as I make my baby breakfast, like a simple snack for breakfast. As she takes her porridge and breakfast. Yeah, my baby is 9 months, so I'm making it our thing to give her breakfast and then dinner. I don't give her like breakfast, lunch, this and this because she's taking porridge, very nutritious. So I make sure I put things in between. So now we are going to make breakfast. So let's go. Wash it. Cut it into pieces. Back home, so I'm going to boil it and then prepare the egg. In water. Paste. I'll use 2 eggs, some organic baby spinach. I'll also steam an apple for her. Yeah, washing the spinach, like clean it up. It's already cleaned up, but I have to pre-wash it again. You never know. So I'll peel the apple. Now slice it into 2 big chunks. Get the middle part up. I want something she can hold without choking. Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to place it in the water, the sweet potatoes. Okay, I just want to steam it a little bit, and that's it. Let's cut the spinach into small cuts. Now, put the egg number 2. Yeah. Add a little bit of water, a little bit. I'll leave it there to settle as I wait for the potatoes to get ready. Okay, I'm going to remove the apple. Yeah, that's the apple. Now I'm going to blend this in the baby blender, as you can see. I put 2 scoops of baby milk. So that's it. Put a little bit of the water that you used to boil the potatoes. And now, time to blend. Blend.